Ugh! Is your garage a bomb site? Welcome back to Jason's Tool Tips. Today we're going to get this mess tidied up. Let's have a look at this amazing way to keep your garage tidy. Let's get all this stuff tidied up. All the tools here today was provided by our sponsors, Milwaukee Tools UK. Today I'm going to be showing you the Milwaukee PACKOUT tool wall. We have three sizes: the mounting plate, the XL and the compact. Let's get the PACKOUT started. All the storage systems here use this mounting system to securely lock into the tool wall. Not only is this stuff fantastic for your workshops and garages, it can also be mounted in your work vehicles as well. As you can see, depending on whether it's mounted in a vehicle or a wall, the weights will vary of what it can carry. This racking system has the same modular locking system as the tool wall and is also height adjustable. Another handy feature of the PACKOUT crate is it can be hung on the wall, and you can use another part of the PACKOUT system as a lid. Don't forget about your health and safety. Milwaukee have this fully stocked first aid kit. This is very handy to be mounted in your van also. Do you think we've got enough variety for the tool wall? Let's get this mounted and find out. As you can see with this XL backing plate, you can start to see how versatile the tool wall is. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. To the regular viewers, you'll recognise this fantastic PACKOUT system, but Milwaukee have added to it. Let's go have a look. So this is the PACKOUT cabinet. As you can see, it's mounted on a plate here, but also it can be mounted on the wall, and it has this door for easy access. Now let's go have a look at that PACKOUT trolley. So the way we have the trolley set up here, we have a 3-door drawer, 2-drawer, and then the trolley at the bottom and a top opener here. So in the top here, we have a prism gauge in this foam which we've cut out. Next we have the 3 drawers, dividers, or you can have it without and whatever you need in there. And we also have the double drawer for your more bulky items. Another handy feature are these bars which lift out, and then you can put a padlock through to lock all the drawers. Just to let you know, as this stands, these are IP65, whereas these units are not. Remember that mess at the start? Let me show you how you can tidy up your gardening equipment. As you can see, there's a variety of hooks for hanging up your tools. This is the paddle, probably one of the heaviest tools we have, and this holds it very well. Check this clever little hook out. As you can see, all those hard to store tools that would be in your garage are easily stored here, and we're still adding to it. Finally, our new dual battery blower. Well, we're not so messy now, are we? Well, there you have it. No excuse for a messy workshop with this fantastic pack-out system. If you want to see more of these Milwaukee tools, watch this video next.